BioVendor has a long tradition in development of antigens, antibodies, and biomarker immunoassays. In this presentation, I will talk about antibodies produced by BioVendor. The high-quality antibodies are heart of a good immunoassay. Successful assay development or lot-to-lot continuity of ELISA cannot be without such antibodies. We develop and produce antibodies primarily for own immunoassays, so we really care about their quality. Along with the supply for our immunoassays production, we sell our products, and it is no less important for us to keep our customers satisfied. We are focused on development and production of polyclonal antibodies in rabbits, sheep, or goats, and also on production of mouse monoclonal antibodies using hybridoma technology. Prepared antibodies can be labeled with biotin, horseradish peroxidase, acridinium ester, or alkaline phosphatase. What contributes to the benefits of our antibodies? We have 15 years experience on the field of antibody development and production. Every year we prepare new polyclonals and monoclonals. In present, we offer about 200 of antibody products and sell them worldwide. We care about our customers, and the technical support of our products is based on our experience and a good knowledge. We offer highly specific immunoaffinity purified antibodies, carefully quality tested during whole production. Many of the customers need to further label or immobilize the antibody. They certainly appreciate that our products do not contain any additives or preservatives. If you need bulk amounts, conjugates, or customized antibodies, we are prepared to fill your needs. Here you can see the list of our best-rated antibodies. On the following slides, I will give you a short introduction into them. Our most successful is rabbit polyclonal antibody against Periostin. This antibody has been a long time on the market. It is suitable for methods like immunocytochemistry, Western blot, and others. Its performance is highly rated by many of our customers, as you can see in a number of scientific references. Periostin is a well-established marker. When the periostin was discovered, it was thought to be involved mainly in the bone metabolism. During the time, it was revealed that periostin has an important role as a regulator of interactions between cells and extracellular matrix. Thus, it is involved in many physiological and pathological processes. For example, periostin is expressed during the skin wound healing, as you can see on the picture of IHC staining using our antibody. There are many areas where this antibody can be used. Among others, I can mention area of respiratory and allergic diseases. In a recent clinical study on patients with asthma, the periostin was used as a predictive marker for successful anti-IL-13 therapy. Thus, our antibody can potentially be used to identify patients with a better response to such a therapy. In another study, our antibody was successfully used to assess the risk of renal transplant rejection. And I could continue. There are many opportunities how to take advantage of this antibody, and I believe it will stay on the top of the interest also in the future. Here you can see in which research areas the antibody has been used. Monoclonal antibody against Cathepsin K has a long history on the market as well. It is suitable for the applications like immunohistochemistry, flow cytometry, and others. This cysteine proteinase is involved in bone resorption and remodulation, degradation of extracellular matrix, in some types of tumors, and in pulmonary tuberculosis. The picture shows Cathepsin K expression in a melanocytic nevi detected with our antibody. Cathepsin K is considered as a therapeutic target in osteoporosis, so the antibody could be used to diagnose effectivity of this therapy. Or this antibody can be potentially used in identifying of certain tumors, but its usage is not limited to these areas. Here you can see in which research areas the antibody has been used. Another very interesting antibody is our rabbit polyclonal anti-hepatitis virus B protein X. Chronic and acute hepatitis B is a worldwide problem, and there is a big interest in this type of antibodies. HBX is a regulatory protein and plays a crucial role in pathogenesis of hepatocellular carcinoma. Roles of the HBX in hepatocarcinogenesis are summarized in the schema. The use of this antibody is not limited to the hepatology or infectious diseases. As an example, the IHC image shows antibody performance on the kidney tissue of patients with HBV-associated inflammation. Here you can see in which research areas the antibody has been used. BioVendor offers FABP4 and FABP5 ELISAs, and also antibodies are in the center of the interest. FABP4 and 5 proteins regulates fatty acid storage and lipolysis and play roles in insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, atherosclerosis, and others. FABP4 is a well-known diagnostic and prognostic marker of metabolic syndrome and related disorders. Besides metabolic syndrome, FABP5 is also involved in psoriasis, variety of tumors, and is considered as a potential cardiovascular risk marker and potential therapeutic target to halt the progression of atherosclerosis. Here you can see areas where this antibody can be used and examples of antibodies performance. The COMP is a good prognostic marker in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, and it is proposed biomarker of breast cancer and hepatocellular carcinoma. We offer 3 monoclonals against COMP, well tested in different applications. The first one belongs to our bestsellers and can be used in ELISA, IHC, or Western blot. Adiponectin is one of the most important proteins with protective roles in energy metabolism and type 2 diabetes. BioVendor has a broad range of adiponectin proteins, ELISA kits, and polyclonal antibodies. Recently, we have released 2 new monoclonals, which seems to be a very good immunohistochemical regions. In the Western blot, the monoclonals show different specificity. Under reduction conditions, the clone 7C11 can detect globular domain of adiponectin, but not whole adiponectin, as can detect the second clone. At the end, a short summary. We offer well-tested polyclonal and monoclonal antibodies with a guaranteed quality. According to your needs, we will prepare bulk amounts, conjugates, or customized antibodies. We have introduced here several interesting antibodies. Besides them, BioVendor offers a number of others polyclonals and monoclonals, recombinant and native proteins, immunoassays, and also customer services. The whole product portfolio and much more information can be found on our website. Also, if you have a question, you can contact us at info@biovendor.com. Thank you for your attention.